So what is the use of not log ops? ये क्या है? अच्छा, logical operators, not logical operator. It simply reverses the you can say your boolean output. अगर whatever is the expression inside not, उसके अंदर में if you get true, it will change it to false. If it is false, it will change it to true. So it reverses your result.
So is there any practical use of it, like
अभी देखेंगे. It will come in practical use, of course. ठीक है, वो सब आएगा ही. So we saw one thing. We will continue from that point only. We had one problem. And what was that problem?
Logical operators, that's it, no, sir?
That's it. We had one problem. And what was the problem? If multiple outcomes are possible, in a program, then normal approach won't work. मतलब sequentially जो solve करते हैं, that approach won't work. And in solution we saw, solution was, and if else statement, which is one of the type of flow control statements. How many types of flow control statements are there? Three. Are you sure?
Yes,
Four.
sir.
4.
5.
5, good. कौन से हैं 5? I understand you won't know the meaning, but at least you can tell me. हमने देखा था ना, one was if else, another was for, third one was while, fourth one was break and continue, and fifth one was pass. Okay. We will slowly learn the what are the meaning of those statements, but we are starting with the first one, that is if else statement. Okay, so we'll take up if statements. Of 3 types. Okay, what are the 3 types of if statements?
Sir, if else,
If else,
if else.
if elif else, right. So इतने तरह के statement थे. Now we will start with first one, that is if statements. The first type of if statement, that is pure if statement. Okay, so where this is used? If many outcomes are possible, but you have to display the result in result for display the result or perform some operation only when one particular outcome is desired. ओके इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि लेट्स से इफ आई आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन write a Python program to print if a person is और ऐसे इसको ये लिख सकते हो प्रोग्राम टू accept a day name मतलब वीक डे नेम लिख लेते हैं day name from user and print if it's Monday. What is the question? I will ask user to enter the name of a day, and if the day is Monday, then only I will print. In rest of the cases, I will not print. ठीक है? So how many outcomes are possible? That means how many values users can give? How many different scenarios are possible? Yeah.
1. 7.
7 scenarios are possible. Outcomes लिखो और scenarios. So how many scenarios are possible? 7. User, if you are asking a day name from the user, user might give let's say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, anything. Out of the 7 days, one day name of one particular day, one day user will give. But the program should only display when the user inputs Monday. For rest of the cases, program will do nothing. So here, what is the case? More than one possible scenarios or outcomes are there, but we have to only take some action or display the result in one of the particular case only. बाकी केस को हमें नहीं इग्नोर कर देना है, even if it is happening. ठीक है? So how we will write the program? तो हम लोग लिखेंगे, ठीक है? Something like this.
So this can be used to give remarks, no?
Sorry?
Remarks. This command can be used to, this statement can be used to give remarks.
Which statement?
If statement.
नहीं, if helps you to manage the cases where more than one possible outcomes are there. ये remarks के लिए तो comment use करते हैं. This hash वाला symbol use होता है.
No, in display means हम लोग को जैसे you have given one activity that in assignment there was one person write find the percentage. So there we can use the if statement. Now if person scores above 95%, print excellent, print good.
हाँ, correct. उस तरह का question.
Yes,
correct. Oh, we can do that. अभी देखो, we will understand that. So how we will solve this? So first we will ask a weekday name from the user. So let's say I'll write a variable name as day or identifier as day. So day equals to क्या लिखेंगे?
Monday.
How you are going to ask for the user?
Input sir.
Int वगैरह लिखेंगे क्या?
No sir.
No, because you have to accept day name which is going to be string value only. So you will write input please enter the name of a day. Weekday. कुछ ऐसा लिख लेना. Okay. Now हमारे पास डे आ गया. What we have to do? We have to take some action only when one particular scenario matches. तो जब सिनेरियो मैच करने का केस आए ना, कंपैरिजन डिटरमाइन करने का, कि whenever there are multiple possibilities, in that you have to select only one possibility. In that case, you are going to use if statement. So if statement will be used when out of many possibilities you have to check for one possibility or few possibilities. Okay, so we have to check. यहाँ पे तो चेक करना है नेक्स्ट स्टेप में कि which day it is. Okay, so for checking कि which possibility it is matching, ठीक है, ये हम लोग लिख सकते हैं for checking which possibility it will match. ठीक है, तो उसमें हम लोग लिखेंगे if. Now I have written if and then I will write something like day is double equals to. If day is double equals to Monday, and then we will write colon. Okay, so see very carefully how we are matching. So possibility checking, scenario matching out of कि कौन सा possible hit कर रहा है, which possibility or which case is going to match, or for all such cases you are going to use if statement. And along with if statement in front of it is expecting only one thing. If के आगे में हरदम या तो तुम्हारा you will either find a logical expression or a conditional or logical or relational, ये तुम्हें मिलेगा expression involving logical operator or you can say relational operator. ठीक है, so double equals to क्या है?
To check
Is it
back.
relational or logical?
Operator.
Comparison.
रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर है ना. सो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? व्हाट विल बी द आंसर ऑफ दिस पार्ट? लेट्स से यूजर एंटर्स ट्यूसडे, सो आंसर क्या आएगा उसका?
Monday.
Then on Monday, no, Monday will not
False.
come.
आंसर विल बी फॉल्स.
Miss-
Okay.
अरे
false.
रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर का एक्सप्रेशन का हरदम आंसर ट्रू या फॉल्स आता है. ठीक है, सो दिस विल रिजल्ट इन
Okay.
this will result in false if
False.
if this day is not same as Monday. Okay, तो उस केस में हम लोग क्या करेंगे? तो if का कैसे काम करता है? In front of it you will always have either an expression involving relational operator or logical operator. दोनों का आंसर ट्रू या फॉल्स ही आता है. तो if expects in front of it final result as true or false. ठीक है, if the answer is true it will go inside. see उसके बाद का अगर ये चीज मैच हो गया, if answer is true then what you will do is it will go inside. If the case matches, if this happens to come as true, then it will go inside and will execute whatever is written under it. So how we will write under it? Just below if we will leave some space and then we will write print. Remember, we cannot write in the same line. I'll tell you the reason. We will leave some space. Generally one tab space दे देते हैं यहाँ पे. This will be one tab space we will print, and then we will write print.
Sir, colon is compulsory, sir.
हाँ, colon is compulsory. I'll tell you why. Print it's Monday. Sorry. है ना? और right. It's Monday. ठीक है, यहां पे टैब स्पेस होगा, वन टैब स्पेस. Why we cannot write just after it? See, उसके बाद if में क्या होता है ना, if something is true, if this condition after if happens to be true, whatever is there before colon, if this happens to be true, whatever is written after leaving one tab space in each of the subsequent lines after it, जितने भी लाइन वन टैब स्पेस छोड़ के लिखे होंगे, all those lines will be executed. And whatever you will write after it in the same line, फिर यहां से जो भी कुछ लिखना शुरू करोगे ना, in the same level of I, those things won't be executed. मतलब क्या, उसके बाद मैं यहां लिख देता हूं print program is over.
Sir,
So
the
क्या
tab
होगा?
space,
हाँ?
will it automatically leave the tab space or should we?
No, you have to give.
Okay.
If you are working on some IDE, ठीक है, तो वो खुद ब खुद दे देगा. But if you are writing on Notepad++ or something, you will have to give the space. Okay.
Sir,
So what I
can't
am
we
saying
use,
is,
this logical operator?
sorry.
Can't we use logical operator here?
अभी छोड़ दो, लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर भी यूज करेंगे. आई विल शो यू सच प्रोग्राम्स, बट लेट्स से वी आर यूजिंग ओनली रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर्स फॉर नाउ इन फ्रंट ऑफ एफ. ओके, सो लिसन यहाँ पे. So whatever will be the lines of codes written after if, after the colon of if, in the next line and then and the subsequent lines, if you have left written all the lines in such a way that a fixed amount of space has been left before it, that means if the condition happens to be true, whatever is the logical operator, this expression involving a logical or relational operator here, if that results in true, all the things written within this colon after leaving space, all those lines of codes will be executed. Okay, if the thing is, if the expression results in false, then these lines of codes won't be executed, and the next line to be executed will be such line which will be in the line of if. ठीक है, इसका एग्जांपल मैं प्रोग्राम लिख के दिखाता हूं. Okay, last program that we wrote was 15.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir. So then, if we write the week name of the weekday as Tuesday or something, then print it's Monday won't come, right, sir? If we write the name of the weekday as Tuesday or Wednesday, other than Monday, then it's Monday won't be printed, right, sir?
Only in case of Monday it will print. For all other cases it won't print. देखो अभी मैं बता रहा हूँ. Just a minute. हाँ सर. सर क्लास ले रहे हैं, आपको क्लास के बाद मैं कॉल करता हूँ 2 o'clock. Okay. IDE अंकित, will we do IDE? IDE अभी नहीं करेंगे. IDE को we will keep it for later. अभी डायरेक्ट सीखो इससे. IDE paralyzes you initially, beginning phase में. That be okay. Program to print if the weekday entered is Monday. ठीक है, so we'll write day is equals to input as is enter a weekday. We will write if, उसके बाद any expression which should result in either true or false. क्योंकि if अपने सामने in front of if, it will always expect either true or false to be there. So either you can directly write true or false, or you can write an expression which will result in true or false. So I'll write if day, comparison के लिए we use double equal to for matching the value, Monday, enter. Now you can see I have come to the beginning of line 4, but I'll give one tab space. Okay, and then I write, let's say I'll write two statements. Print, hey, the case matched. The match was successful. And next line we can write. See, next line also I am writing at the same level. देख रहे हो, फिर से वो space start करके below that P only I have started. Second line is also starting after one tab space. Okay. In that case, what will happen is, and it's Monday. And then I'll write print program complete. Okay. तो देखो क्या होगा. If this expression in front of if results in true, if the condition expression, उसको condition बोलते हैं, condition expression.
Sir, does using colon specifies anything special?
Yeah, that means कि whatever condition I have to check in front of if I have, that I have completed. I don't have any other condition to write further in that line. Okay.
So, sir, we can write how much of a
Okay,
condition
sir.
we want.
Yeah, you can use and or in if day is equals to Monday. अच्छा चलो उसको मैं will come to that. But yes, we can use make it more conditions here. I'll show you that. Don't worry. If the condition is true, it will go inside. If go inside if means else not.
Sir, in the second line, is the
Wait.
third inverted comma extra?
Just a minute. In the second line,
The inverted comma
yeah,
is
yes,
extra.
correct. Thank you. ठीक है. And it's Monday. अब देखो क्या होगा. If this happens to be true, तभी वो अंदर जाएगा. It will go inside. By going inside, it mean it will run all the statements which are written after leaving some space immediately after if in each line. So that means these statements will be executed, the ones that I have highlighted, these statements will be executed only if the condition in front of if results in true. अगर ये false हो जाएगा, तो it won't go inside and it will directly come and execute line number 6. Are you getting me?
Sir,
Yeah.
so if even if it's not Monday, then the last line it will get printed, sir.
You tell me. What do you think?
I think it will be printed because task
Yes,
is
you're
not-
right. Yes, you're right, because that is not the part of the body or internal or a part of statement if statement. So देखो, अगर ये statement false होगा, if this condition results in false, then it won't go inside and print what or execute the lines of codes written after leaving space after if. If के बाद जो space one tab space छोड़ के लिखे हो ना, वो सारे lines execute नहीं होंगे when the condition in front of if results in false. If it results in true, then this line will execute, and after executing all these lines, then it will come out of if and it will execute this compulsory line as well. So how do you know ki which statements to execute if if condition in front of if results in true? By leaving space.
Type space.
All those lines
Sir.
started after leaving the same amount of space will be treated as or will be executed only when the condition in front of if results in true. ठीक है? इसको
Sir,
execute
it
करते हैं.
only works in tab space, right?
No, you can give simple 1 or 2 spaces also.
Okay,
But
sir.
you should, if you are giving 3 space bar in line number 1, that is in line number 4, if you are writing 3 times space here, make sure line number 4, 5 or whatever number of statements that you are going to bind to if should also start after leaving 3 spaces only. That means whatever space you have left in the first line inside after colon, that same number of spaces should be there in all the subsequent lines if you want it to attach it to the internal body of the if. Okay? For the sake of simplicity, I give tab.
And sir, if in 7th line also we give tab and write another string,
Then
it will get printed.
Then it will get only printed. It will only get printed when the day is Monday. Else it will not get printed. See, if
Yes,
you
sir.
make it this way, then this also becomes
sir, I was telling
internal
in
part
7th
of
line.
if. Sorry.
I was telling for 7th line. If we give 7th line
Seventh
also.
line there is nothing. I have not written anything.
No, sir. Sorry, like you give 6th, no space. And in 7th we give space
No.
and write another.
No. Once you are back to the level of if, then you cannot write next line after leaving space. Okay. Then all the lines. This feature of leaving lines will only be applicable if it comes immediately after if. Once you break that sequence, then you cannot start the lines after that after leaving space. Then again you will have to use if or something like that to again make an internal. See, leaving lines or leaving space means you are attaching this much part of thing with this condition being true. Okay. So you cannot make line number 7 and then you can write print here. That will result in error. Only after if you can do that. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
अभी बहुत सारा program करेंगे. Don't worry. Let's see. We'll run this program. This is 16, right? Okay. Weekday. Let's say I give Sunday. What do you think will happen?
It will print only
That
program.
last thing,
So program complete.
last thing will come.
It
Only
will
program completed will be printed.
Program
Sir.
complete.
only program complete will be printed, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct? Is it clear now? Program complete. What if I run the program again and I write Monday? What will happen?
So
These
those
two
two
lines will
strings will come.
also get printed,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
and
sir.
then after
Then
that,
program complete also.
and after that, so all the 3 prints will be printing because this is compulsory. This will get printed in all the
Yes,
cases, and because this will result in true, these 2 lines will also get printed. Okay, so you see. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone. सब बताइए मुझे. Nanika, you are there?
Sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Sir,
Darwin,
if it is
Clear,
true,
sir.
it will print all the statements.
if it is
True.
true, then
It will print all the statements, like which is not
if
in
it is
under.
if it is true, then it will print all the statements written after leaving some space in each of the lines immediately after if. Okay.
Not the statements which are after the print, that is program complete.
Sorry, not?
After that, the tab space statement, sir.
Huh.
after that, this program complete will be just after it. No, so nothing is there to no condition.
Huh.
So print that also.
It will. This will get printed in all the cases. See, only these two statements are attached to this condition being true. If this results in false, it will not go inside and it will come out and directly print this one. Can we use another if after the first one? हाँ किसने मना किया है तुम्हें? यहाँ पे भी use कर लो यहाँ. You can use if. Okay. जैसे what he means is, now if you have to use if, I'll just come back and I'll write another if. If day is equals to Tuesday, you can print anything. Just playing around. Okay. So now tell me, if I run this program, what will happen? Let's say if I give Sunday, what will be the output?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. Kyun? Because neither this case will be true. First, it will start with this. This will result in false. So these two lines will be skipped. Then it will come out. And then again, a new if is there. It will match this also. This will also result in false. So it will not go inside this also. And the program will exit. However, so if you give here, nothing. However, if I write, see, Monday. Okay. Yeah, Ankit, we can give. अब तुम्हें समझ में आ रहा नॉट का यूज. ओके. अगर तुम यहाँ पे ट्यूसडे दे दोगे, just playing around. If I give Friday, what will happen?
Nothing.
Nothing. ठीक है? So in such ways you can give. Okay. So what Ankit was asking is, can we give something like if day is this, दो तरीका करके दिखाता हूँ. If the day is not equals to Monday, now you tell me what will happen if I execute the program. Let's say if I execute, I give, what will happen?
It will print, sir.
It will print the
It will print the statement.
In which case it will not print?
If we put Monday, it would
Or when we write Monday.
When we give day's value as Monday, it will not print.
Sir, will not it not double equal to?
No, with not we print only one. Not equals to is symbolized as not followed by one single equal to.
Sir, I was
So
talking
instead of
about
using
that
the symbol, if you
अरे एक one by one. Now अगर साथ बोल रहे हो तो raise hand करके बोलो. Shivam, you start and others can raise next.
Sir, if instead of using that symbol, if you write not and no t, then it will execute.
तुम बताओ. What I will do is, तुम इस तरह का कुछ बात कर रहे हो.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So
अब Monday लिख दो उस day में.
not day is equals to Monday.
Yes, sir. अभी execute कर.
अब ना execute नहीं करो, पहले तुम बताओ. What do you think will be the answer? If I give value as Sunday.
It will execute.
It will. अरे वो छोड़ो. मैंने नॉट के केस में क्या बताया था कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू फॉरगेट नॉट. देखो फर्स्ट टारगेट तुम्हारा क्या है, यू हैव टू फाइंड वेदर हियर ट्रू विल कम और फॉल्स विल कम. ओके, if true comes then this lines will execute, if it does not come then these lines will not execute, right? So now you tell me,
Yes,
if
sir.
I give here, if only this thing was there, what will come if I give Sunday?
Then it will print the next two lines.
No, uska result batao, true or false.
True.
If I give Sunday, no, the highlighted portion only. If I give the value of day as Sunday,
False.
then
False.
will the day will be equal to Monday?
No, false. It will show
False. ठीक है, यहां पे false आ गया. Now when you have false inside not, what will the entire thing become?
It will become true.
True, right? So it will execute. Okay, so in all cases where your day is not equal to Monday, it is going to print. But wherever the day becomes Monday, जैसे ही अगर तुम डे का वैल्यू मंडे डालोगे, ठीक है, if you give the value of day as Monday, then this thing will become true and therefore this thing will become false. Okay, समझ रहे हो शिवम?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, चलो बोलोगे तो मैं इसको एग्जीक्यूट करके भी दिखा देता हूं. If I give Monday, nothing. क्यों? जब डे का वैल्यू मंडे डाला तो दिस रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर बिकेम ट्रू एंड नॉट क्या करता है, रिजल्ट को रिवर्स कर देता है, रिवर्सेस द रिजल्ट. सो दिस एंटायर थिंग बिकम्स फॉल्स. वंस दिस बिकम फॉल्स, will it go and execute the body this statements attached with if? No,
sir.
But for all other cases it is going to print. ठीक है, ट्यूसडे क्या कुछ भी दे दोगे तो वो प्रिंट कर देगा, एबीसी भी दे दोगे तो प्रिंट कर देगा, क्योंकि ऑल दैट इट हैज टू मैच इज कि वो मंडे नहीं है, MONDAY. अच्छा, टेल मी वन थिंग, व्हाट विल बी द आंसर इन दिस केस?
It will not
print. And
अगर मैंने यहाँ पे डे का वैल्यू,
sir, it will print, sir. It will print. It will print, sir.
Why?
Because Monday is case sensitive.
Python is case sensitive. So यहाँ पे तुमने Monday with small m दिया, तो string with small m and string with capital M, they are treated differently. So again this will result in false. Okay, and then not false will become true and then therefore it will execute. ठीक है?
Sir.
Yes, sir. Wait.
So
now
is it possible? Sir,
wait.
turn that
Abhay, you had
on.
doubt? No. हाँ बताओ.
Sir, open Notepad++. Sir, is it possible if we write day equals to Monday or in small case Monday?
Let's say what he wants to do is he wants to make logical expression. If day is equals to Monday or day is equals to Tuesday.
No,
then,
sir, I was telling for case sensitiveness.
Achha, you are telling
right for small m.
हाँ, small m will not match with capital M. अभी तो वही दिखाया था.
No, sir, I'm telling instead of Tuesday, if we write Monday in small m.
Then for both the cases it will match.
Okay, sir.
Then for both the cases you can work out. Okay. तब तो फिर यूजर विद कैपिटल M दे या स्मॉल m दे, in both the cases answer will be true and therefore this whole thing will become true. ठीक है? if का केस समझ में आया?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
But here क्या है? First type of if statement. That means out of many possible outcomes, we are only concerned with one outcome. And we will ignore the rest. ठीक है? एक और चीज जान लो. The statements written after colon of if, after leaving space, some space, the beginning, are known as the body of if statement, block of if statement. ये मतलब समझ में आया? Here what will be the block of if? This one, or body of if? This one. So the statements immediately after if, जो colon के बाद जो शुरू होता है, which are written after leaving some space, okay, they are known as the body or the block of the if statement. तो जितना भी shaded portion में मैंने दिखाया है ना, वो block है. And then print program complete. Okay. Now tell me, is line number 6 part of block of if statement?
No, sir.
Line
No,
number
sir.
4?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Line number 5?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So line number 4 and 5 together form the block of the if statement. Okay. So all, and immediately how do you know कि if statement has ended? The moment any statement starts at the same level of the if. Okay. You will say that block has ended. Okay. One more concept. Leaving of space to form a block is known as block of if, or chalo if ही रखो, is known as indentation. That means block is formed by indentation. Indentation means leaving the same amount of space. ये जो दो starting में space दे रहे हैं ना, we will say that this print is indented. Indented मतलब from the normal level it has been pushed towards inside. अगर तुम देखोगे, most of you might have seen the seashore, वो समुद्र का किनारा.
Yes,
Have you
sir.
seen, right?
Yes.
So is the land over there? Just one more minute, I'll wrap it up. Let's say this is a, here sea water is there. So tell me, and here land is there. Is this the case, or
Second
is
one.
this the case?
Second one, sir.
Second one, right? So
Yes.
what we say is कि the places, if the straight line would have been like this, we will say that water has pushed inside from the normal level. Normal straight line level से थोड़ा push हो गया है inside की तरफ, land की तरफ, towards land or landward. So we will say that all the places where water or waves, or you can say water has protruded or intruded the land, you will say that it has formed indentation, or लैंड हैज बीन इंडेंटेड, वो अपने नॉर्मल लेवल जो होना चाहिए था, द नॉर्मल सपोज्ड लेवल से थोड़ा अंदर आ गया, इट हैज कम अ बिट इनसाइड फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल सपोज्ड लेवल, सो द सी शोर्स आर इंडेंटेड, इसीलिए हम लोग बोलते हैं व्हाई इट इज इंडेंटेड, because from the normal level they at times water gets pushed inside, so therefore the sea levels are indented. उसी तरह यहां पे हम लोग बोल रहे हैं, in this case we will see that line number 4 and 5 they are indented from the normal level of the statements. Normal level क्या है? From the very first character or the starting of the line, they have been indented from the normal level to form a block. So this leaving of a space and so that the statements get aligned to a different level from the normal level, this thing is known as indentation. Okay, ये clear है कि how blocks of if statements are formed, or the statements which will execute when this condition in front of if results true. Okay, such things will only be formed by such things will be or the blocks will be formed by indentation only. Okay, is it clear? Chalo, we'll stop here. Other two cases of if we will see tomorrow. This is a very important part, और ये समझ में आ गया तो most of the programming का concept clear हो जाएगा. Okay, and if you want I'll quickly help you out with the syllabus in another 1 minute. देखो कहाँ पे है हम लोग, कितना प्रोग्रेस किए हैं. We have not started with unit 1, ठीक है. We have started with unit 2 which will be covering around 45 marks. ठीक है, आसान चीज बाद में पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, easy thing we are going to learn later. This will be 45 marks out of 80. So उसमें हम लोग क्या क्या पढ़ चुके हैं तुम ही मुझे बताओ. Are we एक मिनट, leave this first part, we'll come to it later. Now tell me, are we comfortable with comments?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. सिंप्लीफिकेशन ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन मतलब क्या? एक्सप्रेशन को इवैल्यूएट करके सिंगल वैल्यू लाना. ओके, नाउ नोशन ऑफ अ वेरिएबल. वेरिएबल क्या होता है? इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Sir, but we have learned only one type of comment.
डोंट वरी, अदर टाइप, देयर इज ओनली वन टाइप ऑफ कमेंट. ये सिलेबस वाले ने गलत बना दिया है. आई अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट दे मीन बाय दिस. नो, दिस इज नॉट मल्टी लाइन कमेंट. This I will take up. This part is left. This is not, they are not talking about comment. They are talking about continuation statements. I will tell you tomorrow. ठीक है? So we have learned this thing. We have learned the notion of a variable. L value and R value, वो equal to के जो left का part होता है उसको L value बोलते हैं. A equals to 10 में जो equal to के left identifier is the L value and equal to के बाद में इधर single value और an expression is the R value. ठीक है? तो उसका मतलब वही है. डेटा टाइप्स जो वेरिएबल के अंदर में वैल्यू जाता है, इंट, फ्लोट, स्ट्रिंग, बुलियन. ऑपरेटर्स में वी हैव सीन 4 टाइप्स ऑफ ऑपरेटर्स सो फार.
अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स,
अरिथमेटिक, लॉजिकल, रिलेशनल और तुम्हारा असाइनमेंट. ठीक है, दिस पार्ट वी विल सी थोड़ा सा प्रेसिडेंस का. एक्सेप्टिंग इनपुट फ्रॉम द कंसोल, इंट इनपुट, फ्लोट इनपुट, ओनली इनपुट, असाइनमेंट स्टेटमेंट, एक्सप्रेशंस, ऑपरेटर्स, ये तो देख चुके हैं. बाइनरी और ऑपरेटर्स लाइक अरिथमेटिक, रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर्स एंड लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर्स वी हैव सीन. दिस इज लेफ्ट 2 minutes टॉपिक विल कवर टुमारो. ठीक है,
they are same, sir.
which one?
Augmented assignment operators and
A bit
assignment.
different, but I'll tell you tomorrow. 2 minutes, okay. And we have started with, leave this, this is a theoretical concept, वो मैं बता दूंगा. Conditional statement में we have started with if. Okay. Tomorrow we will cover the other two. तो कल तक हमारा almost इतने दूर में you can say 80% of the things जो मैंने शेड किया है उसका खत्म हो जाएगा. Okay.
Sir, only this page is 11th standard portion, sir.
No. It is here till here. यहां तक जाना है हमें. Okay. Microsoft Teams में कोई कॉल कर रहा है. Let me know the name of the person. Else I can find out. No worries. क्या बोल रहे हो?
Sir, we will even study deleted portions.
बस सीखेंगे. Deleted क्या है नहीं है वो छोड़ दो, वो मेरे ऊपर छोड़ दो. ठीक है. चलो बहुत देर हो गया, इंग्लिश क्लास में भी जाना है तुम लोगों को. Okay, we'll
Thank you,
stop.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Attendance.
I'll download.